Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about self-publish your thesis, dissertation, project, literary works into book and get the ISBN number by using Kindle Direct Publishing. So what is Kindle Direct Publishing? Kindle Direct Publishing is the Amazon self-publishing platform. Here you can create and manage ebooks and paperback for free, and you can publish your book within a few clicks, and it takes up to 24 to 48 hours to be live on Kindle Store, and you can receive up to 70% of royalties. This is a briefing about KDP. In this video, I will be showing you full tutorial about how to publish your book by using paperbacks as well as ebooks. So watch the video till end. Before going into video, I just want to tell you that is anyone new to my channel watching this video, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to receive all the notification when I upload my videos. So let's enter into the video. We have to take Google and search for KDP Publishing and click on the first option, self-publishing, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. So this is the Amazon self-publishing platform. So here we can see two options, sign in and sign up. If you're having an Amazon account, you can directly sign in by using your mail ID and password, or just create a Amazon account by using sign up option. So this is the Kindle Direct Publishing dashboard. Here we can see that your account information is incomplete. So in order to publish a book, we need to complete this. So we have to click on update now. Here you have to enter your tax information. It is important to know that you need to complete your tax information before publishing your first book. So don't skip this step. So once your tax information is complete, click on finish and then return to main page, and you can see that your profile is complete. After completing your account information, you can see the Kindle Direct Publishing dashboard as this. Here you can see two options. Amazon's provide two main options for the authors to choose, such as Kindle ebook and paperback. Here paperback means it will be listed and sold in Amazon book, and about Kindle ebook, it will be sold on Kindle store. So what all things should be careful before creating an ebook and paperback is you should have to upload the manuscript. Next is you should have a book cover. That is, you can either create it online or you can upload your own book cover. Next is you have to provide description, keywords and categories. The next step is you will get a free ISBN number to publish your paperback, and Kindle ebooks do not provide ISBN number. So these all are the important things. First, we are going to create a paperback, because in order to get ISBN, you have to go with paperback option. So here you can create your paperback by using three steps. The first step is paperback details. Next step is paperback content, and the third step is paperback rights and pricing. So let's look one by one. So the first option is language option. Here you can select your language according to your book. Next is book title. Here you can enter the title of a book. The title should be very attractive. It should grab the attention of your readers. The next step is subtitle. It is optional. If your book is having a subtitle, you can enter it here. The next step is series. If your book is having a series name and number, you can write it here. Next step is edition number. If your book is a new edition of any existing book, so you can enter your edition number in this column. Next step is author name. Here you can write your name, and if your book is having co-authors, you can write their name by adding one by one. Next step is description. Here you should provide the description. The description is a short narrative that illustrates what your book is about, and it should capture the interest of your reader. The next step is publishing right. Here you can see two options. I own the copyright and all necessary publishing right. Next is it is a public domain work. You can click according to. If you want the complete copyright, click on this option. Next option is keywords. You have to choose up to 7 keywords that describe your book. Here you can write your keywords. Next option is category. You can choose your category, such as it may contain many options such as fiction, non-fiction, education, literacy, etc. So by selecting and then click on save button. Next step is adult content. Click yes or no according to your book, and then finally click on continue and save button. So you can see your first step is complete. We have entered into the second step, that is paperback content. First step is print ISBN. Here you can see two steps: get a free Kindle Direct Publishing ISBN or use my own ISBN. If you are having your own ISBN number, you can select this option, or if you want a free Kindle Direct Publishing ISBN number, then click on this option and select assign me a free ISBN number. So here a pop-up will appear. Click on assign ISBN number. Next is publication date. Enter your publication date. So the next step is print option. Here you can see various options. So select the options according to your book. So the first option is select your interior and paper type. Next is the trim size. The third one is the bleed settings, and the final one is the paper back cover finish. So select accordingly to your book. So the next step is manuscript. Here you have to upload your manuscript. So the next step is book cover. You can see here two options. You can either create it online by using KDP stock image, or you can upload your own book cover. Here it will come launch preview. After seeing the launch preview, click on save and continue button. So after uploading your manuscript and book cover, you can see the step 2 is complete. Next is step 3, that is paperback price and pricing. The first step is territory. You can select the territories accordingly. If you want to distribute your book worldwide, you can click on first option, or it is an individual territory, you can click on second options. Next step is pricing and royalty. Here you can see paperbacks will be available on only this market. The next step is you have to provide a price list for your book, and the KDP will be provided you with minimum and maximum price for your book. So you can select accordingly, and you will be provided a 60% of royalty of your paperback. Next step is terms and condition. It takes up to 72 hours for your book to be available on Amazon, and until then the book status will be in review on your shelf. So by clicking on publish your paperback button, you confirm that you agree to the terms and condition of KDP. Here you can see that it takes up to 72 hours to be available for purchase on Amazon, and during the review the book will be appearing in review status on a bookshelf. After 24 hours of publishing, the status of my book is in a stage of publishing, and they will provide a confirmation mail whenever my book goes live. So here you can see that two options can be there. First option, you can create a ebook, or you can link your paperback with the ebook. So you can choose according to your preference. So I will show you here how to create Kindle ebook. Here you can see 3 steps. First step is Kindle ebook details. Next step is Kindle ebook content. And the third step is Kindle ebook pricing. So the first step is provide the language. Next is provide the book title. The next step is if your book is having a series name and series number, please provide here. Next is edition number. If your book is a new edition of existing number, please provide the edition number. Next is the author. Please enter your name. If you are having many co-authors, please add the co-author's name here and add a description of your book. Next is the publishing right. Select accordingly. If you want the copyright of your own, select I on the copyright, or then click on public domain, then add your keywords of your ebook, then set the categories. You can set the age limit for your reading your book. Next is pre-order. Here you can see two options. First option is I am ready for releasing my book now, or make my ebook available for pre-order. If you are writing only your ebook, click on this option, or if you are ready to release your ebook now, click on this option. And finally you have to click on save and continue. So here you can see that your first step is complete. So the next step is here you have to upload the ebook manuscript. Next step is uploading a Kindle ebook cover. Either you can create online or upload your own ebook cover. After uploading a manuscript and book cover, you can view a Kindle ebook preview. Next option is Kindle ebook ISBN. As Kindle ebooks do not require ISBN number, this cannot be. This option are left blank, and finally click on save and continue. So the first step is KDP select enrollment. Click on select KDP select enrollment. Next step is territory. If you want to distribute your ebook in worldwide, select on all territory or then click on individual territory. Next step is royalty and pricing. Here KDP provide two plans such as 35 and 75. According to your preference, we can select it. And these are the marketplace available for Kindle ebooks. And here there will be a maximum and minimum price. We can select accordingly. After selecting, we can see here the royalty of our books. Next option is book lending. Click on allow button. Next is terms and condition. It takes up to 72 hours for your title to be available for purchase on Amazon. So by clicking on publish button, you are confirming that you agree to all the terms and condition of KDP ebook. After 72 hours of publication, this is the status of my book. It is in live and it is available now in Amazon platform. So that's all for this video. Thank you all for watching this video. Hope that this video will be really helpful for you to self-publish your thesis, dissertation project into book. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel and share your valuable comments and suggestions. Stay tuned for upcoming uploads.